Hey there everyone. Today we're thinking about how to keep love fresh. Firstly, plan some surprise event for your partner of relationship or more about being honest and open with your partner about your feelings. Also remember that it is about feelings, it's also about actions. If you truly care for someone, you can start steps to keep the love alive and vibrant. Firstly, facilitate special feelings toward your partner. You might feel curious too. Let's stay positive and keep love alive.